guys, welcome back to another video, and today it's finally here. The Koopalings, they're here finally. So I want to get right into this because I've been waiting so long. Slice. Okay. Let's see who's at the top. Let's get rid of the handy dandy scissors for now. Actually, grab the handy dandy scissors. As you may notice, maybe this is a little different. I just put this blanket over the chair because it gets really uncomfortable because of how rough it is. Okay. Oh, I have been waiting so long. Oh, and also today was the first day of school, so okay, so it looks like we're starting off with Ludwig Von. Yeah, that's his name, Ludwig Von. So Charlie is gonna be voicing Ludwig. Really cool. And then here's, oh my gosh, Wendy. Wendy, that's her name. There's Wendy. Callie is voicing her. Awesome, awesome. And here's Morton Jr. Morton Jr. Yep, that's his name. Boy. Morton Jr. Here's this is Lemmy. And then here's Iggy. Lemmy and Iggy. Oh, Callie's voicing Lemmy, so same with Iggy. She's voicing Iggy. Super cool. And then here's Roy. And then the very last one, Larry. This is the one that I'm going to be voicing. Oh, and Charlie's voicing also Morton Jr. and Roy and Ludwig Von. So, Larry. And I'm voicing only one because I'm voicing Mario, Bowser Jr., and maybe Bowser. I'll have to see. But anyway, so let me just do a quick thing. Here are Charlie's Koopalings that he'll be voicing, which is Ludwig Von. Oh my gosh, I can never. Morton Jr. and Roy. There's Iggy, Lemmy, and Wendy that Callie will be voicing. And then here's Larry that I'll be voicing. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Oh, and also, I'm so close to starting the series. I just need to get Mario and Bowser. I don't know. I'm gonna have to find somewhere where I can get Bowser, but I can get Mario at GameStop or Target or any of that. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and also, actually no, I was gonna ask, should I have Luigi and Toad or not? No, I'm not going to have Toad. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I sure did. Unlike the last unboxing. That was pretty disappointing, though, how his face was all screwy. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.